hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another DIY tutorial for your home. I'm planning to make a wall art for our bedroom. Our bedroom is still looking quite bare and we have a huge white wall space. We could still personalize it more and put some more decorations on it. I saw the idea on Wendy's lookbook and I love everything that she does. It looks beautiful and so amazing. Her style of photography, the dresses, everything is just perfection. So she made this huge wall art which looks like a huge picture, but actually within that it has loads of different pictures and smaller pictures within, so it's sort of like a mosaic. And what I also like that all these pictures harmonize in their style and color scheme, so I wanted to recreate the same and have this statement wall art in our bedroom so that it has a little bit more personality to it. So yes, so that's the idea, and I'm going to show you how I do this, what I ordered, how I edit, how it actually turns out. So I have placed an order with Desenio and I got the frames from there. So recently these two huge boxes arrived, which have all the different frames in it that I ordered. I also got some prints. I ordered a world map because the wall art is supposed to represent our adventures around the world, and I also ordered this sort of quote or inspirational text: do more of what makes you happy. The rest will be filled with our pictures, and as you can see the frames have different sizes. Where I did my calculation beforehand, which you can see here in my bullet journal. It is a bit messy, but I based my purchase on this, so I calculated with the size and how the different little pieces could get into it. I also plan to leave a little bit of space, which I saw that Wendy did as well with hers, which makes it a little bit more interesting even, I find. Let me go ahead and try to place together this puzzle, and then I can decide on which picture will go where, so I can start cropping the pictures based on those sizes.
It's not thinking real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're
I have been experimenting with Capture One photo editing software lately and downloaded the 30-day trial. I love the user interface of it for color balancing, and the different built-in styles presets are pretty awesome as well. I used this program to edit our photos, so I imported all the shortlisted photos and just played around with color adjustments. I normally started out applying one of the user styles that, as you can see, immediately gave a different mood to the photo. Then I went on to make further adjustments. You can play around with the exposure, contrast, brightness, saturation. You can adjust curve and make the details of your photo clearer and pop. You can adjust white balance, overall color balance, and adjust the color for the shadows, highlights, or midtones separately as well. When I was happy with the final mood on the photos, I exported them to my computer. Okay, so got the delivery and we have all the photos printed out, and they actually turned out quite well. The smallest picture we had was taken with an earlier version of iPhone, and I still wanted to get that picture in a bigger size, and I think it actually turned out quite nice and it doesn't look like pixelated.
You're acting like a volcano, tending to be my side.
this is the final arrangement. We got rid of some of the photos to make it look better. So we are going with this now.
Real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us.
So this is how the final wall art turned out. I personally really love it. Let me know what you think as well. I think it gives a personal touch and a character to our bedroom, which I love. Definitely let me know if you have gave it a try, and let me know how it turned out. And also let me know if you would like to see more home DIY related videos on this channel. I really love doing these, and I definitely are going to do a few more things around the house, especially now that we are moving into spring and summer. But that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.
Now we're over, that's a fact. Phrasing light, see it all right. You were never right.